So today I wanted to share all of the fun things that I recently got when I went to Target. This actually is a pajama set from Target. I'm absolutely obsessed. They're so soft and I bought like 4 or 5 pairs. A few months ago I went to Walmart and I picked out clothes for the entire week, so I thought I would switch it up and go to Target this week, and I found so many great things. I was a huge fan of Target before. Their stuff is just amazing. They have so much great style and I feel like it's a little bit more high quality than Walmart. No shade or anything, but still very, very inexpensive, affordable, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got. So let's just go to Target. Let's go inside and see what they have for me to wear for the entire week. This is like a sad looking Target. Got a cart, of course. We have my lovely sister Tiffany here. Hi. Look at, people don't treat Target very well. Let me go help the situation. You're welcome, Target. Maybe we could get a bikini since we are already in this section. This one could be cute, I feel. Like a little, that'd be cute. I like this. Okay, we're gonna try this on. 1 of 2 spring, he's looking. So we just got kicked out of that Target for filming. Mr. Security Man didn't like us very much. Off to the next one. Okay, take 2. We're at the other Target to go through what I need again. An Easter outfit, an engagement party outfit, a red carpet look, a look for meetings, and a casual spring look. So let's try this again. Security, watch out. Oh look, my spring outfit. I would literally actually wear this though. Is that bad? Oh, Tiff, look. With like a little crop top, I'd be like the house bunny. Next time. Got this and this for my spring outfit options. Casual, easy. I need to find a pair of shoes though for them, and then we can move on. Where are the shoes at? Okay, we got socks. Where are the shoes? Oh yes, just my size. These so cute. Oh, these literally look just like my pink Giuseppes that go with this jacket. Do they not? That is crazy. I feel like this is very like bohemian, so I feel like a tan pair of shoes would be cute. Like a this moment, or like a this. Very like boho chic Instagram girl. One outfit down. I'm not really like a flats person. This brand, Massimo, kind of looks like Moschino. And these are like a roll-up pair, so maybe I could like take them to the club if my feet ever get sore. Wow, and they go up to size 11. Yes, Target. I'm a 6, so. This is kind of cute. Ooh, and it's push-up. You could totally see through this. All right, I'm gonna get this. It's a push-up. I'm a C, so it's probably gonna make me a D or a double D. Or am I a D?
You're a C? That's a lie.
I feel like I'm a D now. I used to be a C. Yes, nighty, love. I'm getting these for Nats. Handopy. Fat Man, Hello Kitty. Got an outfit for Nats. Ooh, these are like stripper vibes. I kind of like these, but I don't own anything like them. Another outfit down. Oh my God, but first champagne. Oh, and it's so soft. I'm just gonna get this for me, not for the video. Oh my God, guys. I think I found my business outfit. Whiskey Business. And the brand is Hello Gorgeous. How perfect. I love these.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no worries. Oh my God, how ridiculous. Should I get these for the Whiskey Business?
You could wear them to the abs on Saturday.
This, with this, would that be cute? Very like Target commercial, girl on the go with 2 kids.
Girl on the go.
All right, should we do it?
Yep.
I'm into it. Although this is a 12.
It'll fit.
It'll fit. Look at the arm cutouts.
No.
Guys,
I hate it.
I love it. Are you guys for arm cutouts or no? Let me know down in the comments, please. Because I love it. I'm getting it. Look at this. We could do like a red carpet moment here. This is really the only section that's like very like dressy, if you could even call this dressy. I mean, if this had like a little cinched waist, it wouldn't be too bad. Like get a belt too.
Yeah.
The no shape of it all. Yes, that's the one.
All right.
Thanks, Tiff.
Welcome.
Maybe like a little heel moment. They have 7, 10, and 11. Little pop of copper. This too. Oh my God, I'm getting these. Look how cute.
You want your Dolce & Gabbana lemons? I like the t-shirt one best.
Yeah, me too.
You want that?
So cute. My Little Pony. Ah, Target, you're killing me. And Care Bears. Okay, I'm getting this, I'm getting this. All right, we couldn't come to Target without getting a bathing suit. I feel like, ooh, this one's kind of cute too. With the back. Jesus.
Get up.
Sorry, Target. Looks like we found a fresh sticker, guys. Evidence.
Ew.
What's important? Sanitary. These kind of look like designer almost. Oh, they don't have the little nose things. Don't want to help, Tiff? Just kidding. Just kidding.
Your yucky shirt.
Hey, you're probably gonna end up wearing it and loving it. Yes.
Sundays.
Ooh, my shoes. Wow, we did good.
Yeah.
This week is gonna be so fun. My fave. All right, Target, you were everything. Definitely a lot more selection than Walmart, I would say. Better quality, from what I can tell, but yeah, I can't wait for this week and to try stuff on. And that was just clothes today. Usually I do like home decor, beauty, none of that, just clothes. Yeah. Successful Target run. Thanks, Target. Remember to put back your carts. We're home and we are going to try everything we bought on. Target haul.
Me so neat.
2 Targets later, we have our clothes. Thank you for shopping with me. Didn't we find such cute stuff? I feel like the only thing I'm not really keen on is the whiskey business outfit, which I totally was like conned into buying because we couldn't find a real business outfit, and the red carpet. But I think with a belt, the red carpet one will work, so we'll see. But really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until I see you guys next time, subscribe and stay gorgeous.